In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the VWAP indicator in TradingView. VWAP, which stands for Volume Weighted Average Price, is an incredibly useful tool for traders as it helps to identify the average trading price of an asset over a specific period weighted by volume. By the end of this session, you'll be able to effectively apply this indicator to your charts, allowing you to make more informed trading decisions. First, let's get started by opening up your chart. Head over to TradingView if you haven't already done so. TradingView is an excellent platform widely used by traders for its range of analytical tools and user-friendly interface. Once you're there, bring up the chart for the asset you're interested in analyzing. Whether you're diving into stocks, cryptocurrencies, or any other tradable asset, everything begins with a chart in TradingView. With your chart open and visible, you'll next want to locate the Indicators button. This button is prominently positioned at the top of your chart, ready to unveil a treasure trove of analytical tools at your fingertips. Go ahead and click on it. Doing so will open up an extensive list of indicators, which can sometimes feel overwhelming given the variety of options available. But don't worry, our focus is on VWAP today. Now, a search bar will appear. This is where you'll type VWAP. This acronym stands for Volume Weighted Average Price, and entering it will help narrow down the options to exactly what you need. Instantly, you'll see a list of available VWAP indicators. You'll likely notice both built-in options and those crafted by the vibrant TradingView community. If you're just starting out, you might want to stick with the built-in version, as it's designed to be straightforward and reliable. However, you're more than welcome to explore community-created variations once you're comfortable. Once you've found an indicator that suits your needs, click on it to add it to your chart. Just a simple click, and you'll see VWAP line right there on your chart, providing a visual representation of the average price at which the asset has traded at over a set period, adjusted for volume. Now that VWAP is on your chart, it's important to understand that you can customize its settings. Look to the gear icon next to the indicator's name. This is your gateway to adjustments. By clicking this gear icon, you'll be able to modify the indicator's appearance, such as line color and thickness, to suit your personal preferences or visibility needs. Additionally, you can tweak the time period, which determines the span of data VWAP considers in its calculations. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding and customizing the VWAP indicator in TradingView. With this indicator in your analytical toolkit, you're now better equipped to gauge true market value with enhanced accuracy. Happy trading, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using TradingView.